Mark drives alone through the rain. His phone suddenly vibrates, breaking the silence of the empty road. Seeing the unknown caller, Mark hesitates, unsure whether to answer. He answers cautiously, hearing a trembling voice on the other end. The caller sounds frightened, asking desperately for help. Fear and doubt fight inside him as he considers ending the call. The voice pleads, begging Mark not to hang up. Against his instincts, Mark slows the car and listens carefully. The caller gives a strange location, sounding weaker with every word. The place feels abandoned, silent, and unsettling. Every flickering light makes the situation feel more dangerous. The call drops, leaving Mark alone with his thoughts. He steps out slowly, heart racing, unsure what he will find. The boy explains he crashed nearby and couldn't reach anyone else. A sudden sound makes him turn, expecting the worst. Mark discovers a badly injured teenage boy, barely conscious. Without hesitation, Mark calls for help, choosing responsibility over fear. Sirens approach, cutting through the darkness and tension. The boy thanks Mark quietly for not ignoring the call. Mark tells the truth, knowing honesty matters in moments like this. The boy is rushed away, his life now out of danger. Sitting alone, Mark reflects on how close he came to driving away. The doctor confirms the boy will survive because help arrived in time. Relief washes over him, mixed with gratitude for answering the call. As dawn breaks, the road feels different than before. Mark stares at his phone, realizing ignored calls can cost lives. He understands that small decisions define who we truly are. The sunrise feels like a second chance, not just for the boy. The news reminds him that doing right often goes unnoticed. He learns that answering responsibility matters, even when no one is watching.